dearest, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be making healthy and refreshing apple carrot juice while I share with you some benefits of juicing as well as some beginner tips. To wash the apple, I am using baking soda and I'm using this fruit strainer. So the first benefit of juicing I want to share with you is that it can play a role in balancing your diet. If you are like me and you don't enjoy eating fruits and vegetables, or you just detest the taste of salads, then juicing is a good way to get in all the nutrients from your fruit and vegetable in a fun way. Actually, this was like my main reason of starting my juicing journey, because I really find it difficult to eat vegetables especially. Juicing also helps to prevent the heat-sensitive nutrients in your vegetables. For example, if you decide to make like stir fry, some of the heat-sensitive nutrients will be lost, but when you juice your vegetables, then you still have them intact. Also, juicing is very delicious. If you do it the right way, then you will enjoy your juice. Here, I would like to share the 80-20 rule and then give my own candid opinion. It is reported that a proper juice recipe should have 80% vegetables and 20% fruits, so as to minimize the amount of fruit sugar in your system. But in my own opinion, as a beginner, I believe you're more likely or more concerned about the tastes, especially if you're used to taking carbonated drinks. So for you to make that switch, it will be difficult to now start taking celery all of a sudden. So I believe that to wean yourself off carbonated drinks, I'll personally advise that it's okay to start with more fruits and then you can work your way to the 80-20 rule at your own pace. Because I believe a glass of grape juice is still way healthier and better than a glass of carbonated drink. Another benefit is that juicing also keeps you hydrated. In as much as your juice is not meant to replace your water consumption, fruits and vegetables do contain a very high volume of water. And sometimes you can supplement your water intake with some fruits and vegetable juice. Another tip I want to say is that for beginner, I'll advise that you always juice your fruits and vegetables separately, one after the other, without mixing them. This helps you to know the taste of each fruit, like at the beginning of your journey. And with this, you'll be able to know how to combine your fruits and vegetables to get the desired taste that you want moving forward. So like you know how to make your own recipes yourself moving forward based on the taste of the individual fruits or individual vegetable that you have juiced. For example, here now I'm first juicing the apple, after which I will go ahead to then juice the carrots. While I'm juicing the carrot, I can quickly have a taste of the apple, and then while the carrot juice is ready, I also have some taste, even though I know the taste. I know what the apple and the carrot juice tastes like, since this is not my first time. But it's like I said, it's a beginner tip. Now the question is, what happens to this beautiful pulp? Do they go to waste? Well, no. You can actually add them to your soup and to your smoothie. You can make a smoothie out of it if you want. or you can even dehydrate it and then add it as seasoning. The options are endless, and by so doing you achieve a zero waste juicing lifestyle. My dearest, I hope you have learned a thing or two from this video, and I hope that you will start your juicing journey as soon as possible after watching this video. Like I said, if you have challenges or difficulties eating fruit and vegetables, then juicing is definitely something you should consider. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll be making more videos like this, sharing my journey as I continue with this juicing lifestyle. I'll also be streaming. I'll be on live stream that we can juice together. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.